Hey there, future e-commerce moguls. Are you ready to rumble? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of online business with two heavyweight contenders, Shopify and Debutify. Choosing the right platform can feel like a knockout punch. But don't worry, we're here to break down the strengths of each platform in a way that even your grandma can understand. Get ready to discover which platform will help you become the champion of your own e-commerce empire. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or the latest tech gadgets, Shopify and Debutify offer the tools and features you need to succeed. So, grab your virtual boxing gloves and let's get ready to see which platform comes out on top. Shopify is the reigning champion of the e-commerce world, and for good reason. This platform is a powerhouse, boasting over 4.4 million online stores worldwide. That's a lot of businesses trusting Shopify with their online presence. One of Shopify's biggest strengths is its user-friendliness. Even if you've never built a website before, you can easily create a professional-looking online store with Shopify's drag-and-drop interface. Plus, with over 7,000 apps available in the Shopify App Store, you can add any feature you can imagine to your store. But wait, there's more! Shopify also offers robust marketing and analytics tools to help you reach more customers and grow your business. From SEO optimization to email marketing, Shopify has everything you need to become an e-commerce superstar. Now let's meet the challenger Debutify. This popular Shopify theme is designed to help you create a high-converting online store without breaking the bank. Think of Debutify as Shopify's stylish sidekick, ready to help you take your store to the next level. Debutify offers a range of pre-designed themes that are optimized for conversions. These themes are mobile-friendly and come with built-in features like countdown timers, social proof notifications, and more. Debutify also offers a suite of marketing apps designed to increase your sales and average order value. One of Debutify's biggest selling points is its affordability. With a free plan available and premium plans starting at just $19 per month, Debutify is an attractive option for budget-conscious entrepreneurs. So, which platform is right for you? If you're serious about building a scalable e-commerce business and have some room in your budget, Shopify is the clear winner. Its powerful features, extensive app store, and robust support make it the top choice for businesses of all sizes. Debutify, on the other hand, is an excellent option for entrepreneurs who are just starting out, or those on a tight budget. Its affordable pricing and conversion-optimized themes can help you get your store up and running quickly and start generating sales. Ultimately, the best platform for you depends on your individual needs and budget. Consider your long-term goals, technical skills, and budget when deciding between Shopify and Debutify. Congratulations! You've made it to the final round of our e-commerce showdown. Now that you know the strengths of both Shopify and Debutify, you're well on your way to launching your own successful online business. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution in the world of e-commerce. The most important thing is to choose the platform that aligns best with your vision, budget, and goals. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start building your e-commerce empire.